Hello once again, and in this tutorial we will build a QR scanner code in Kotlin. Okay, let's get started. In Android Studio, start a new Android project, M3 activity. Okay, give application name QR scanner app. Yep, and choose Kotlin language and keep the rest things the same. Finish. Okay, our project is ready. Now go to Gradle, build Gradle, and in here we will use 3 libraries. I will put the libraries in the library description section. Please check. Okay, these are 3 libraries we will actually use. Now sync now. Okay, configure successful. Now go to activity main. And in here we will use first of all relative layout, yes, and remove this one, and in here we will zxing, yes, this one, scanner view, match parent, match parent. Okay, give id is equal to zxscan, yep, and add some margin left 20 dp, and copy it and paste it 3 times more. Margin right 20 dp, margin top will be 20 dp, and margin bottom will be 10 dp. Yep, in here we will use 10 dp. Okay, now we will use actually 2 text view. One is, that's why we will use a linear layout, match parent wrap content, and orientation will be vertical, and give id text result, and okay, that's it. Actually below layout, below id zxscan, yep, that's it. Or we can use anything things, that is align parent bottom, yes, true. Margin bottom 15 dp, wide will be match parent, actually match parent, yes. And now in here we will use 2 text view, match parent, oh sorry, wrap content, and give some text. The result will be here, and another text view will be text view, match parent wrap content, and give id text result, and just align it in center, text alignment center, and give a color, text color accent. Okay, that's it. And go to main activity, let init var. First one is zx scanner, yeah, this one, scanner view, zx scanner view, zx scanner view, and let init var text view, okay, sorry, text view, this one. And in here we will use small letter, and in here small letter. Okay, initialize these 2 things. Zscanner view is equal to find view by id r.id.zxscan, and another one is text view is equal to find view by id r.id.text result, yes, this one. Now we will take permission by dexter, so that's why dexter dot with activity this @ main vt dot with permission. Okay, in here we will use manifest dot permission, manifest Android. Select Android, is Android. I show you again. Manifest this one actually, manifest dot permission dot camera, yes, and with listener, and in here we will use object permission listener. Okay, and second bracket. Now this will show wrong. Just alt plus enter, implement methods. Okay, that's it. In the bottom just click check, yes. Okay, now we will do two things actually. We don't need to use this one. First one is, if the permission is denied, then we will show a toast dot make text this please accept the permission toast dot length long dot show this. That's it. And in here we'll, when the permission will be granted, then we will pass it in the method, that is set result handler. Yeah, this one, this main activity. And another this one is shows are wrong, so alt plus enter, create this is the second one, let main activity implement interface. So okay, and in here we will see a method, actually interface. Okay, now when before coming in there, here we will actually start the camera. So start camera, yeah, that's it. And when it will come in here, we will do actually two things. First one is text view dot set text view dot text is equal to raw result dot to string. Yep, that's this one. And we will use another thing is zxing view start camera. When any text will replace into text view, after that we will start the camera again. Okay, we will do two more things, on destroy and on resume. Yep, sorry, not on start, restart, on resume. Okay, when the app is destroyed, we will stop the camera. Okay, stop camera, that's this one. And in here we will, when it will be on resumed, so we will do actually two things. First one is send it to set handler, set result handler, and this at the rate of don't need that, zx scanner view and dot start camera. Okay, but in here we will do another things, just call on resume, because after it will start the camera, it won't this method won't work actually. That's why we use this method. Okay, just check this code again. First one is go to manifest. Oh, so sorry, we need to take a permission, uses permission and dot permission dot camera. That's it. Okay, after taking this permission, just we check the main activity. No, this one will be text result. Okay, just check this. Sorry. Okay, in here we see it, the result view is not clear, so we say that layout above will be text result. Yes, now Now it goes above to the text result, and in here we will use some margin left will be 10 dp. Okay, now everything is okay. Hope so. Just run the code. Okay, we see in here that it needs a permission, so when we allow it, it is opening a camera, and we see that it shows code for tomorrow, and that's it.